my name is Genevieve, and I am here at the Body Wisdom Nature Retreat at Surya Lila. And I just went on the retreat with Elizabeth, and we had a lot of movement classes and sharing circle, great food, and the company and the people were amazing. So if you have a chance to come, you should definitely do the retreat.
So I just been to the Body Nature Wisdom Retreat with Elizabeth, and my take was mostly the community, that it was built here in such a sacred container. It was just so precious to share with everybody and to listen to people's stories, and that really contributed as well with my own healing. And also taking this time for myself, it was so essential, so I could really tune into what I needed instead of just looking outwards and being with these external kind of situations that the life brings to you, and then just focusing on myself. That was very essential for me. And yeah, I'm very grateful. Thank you.